Today, we're going to install MySQL Community Server on a Windows 11 computer. What is MySQL? MySQL is an open-source relational database management system, RDBMS. The name MySQL combines My, the name of co-founder Michael Widenius's daughter, and SQL, the acronym for Structured Query Language. In this demo, I'm using Windows Sandbox. If you're not familiar with Sandbox or how to enable it, check out our channel playlist for a detailed video on that. Step 1. Download MySQL Community Edition. Start by logging into your freshly installed Windows 11 computer and searching for MySQL Download in your preferred search engine. You'll be redirected to the official MySQL Download page. Here, you'll find two editions: the Enterprise Edition for large organizations and the Community Edition, which is free and ideal for software development or general-purpose data storage. Today, we'll be downloading the Community Edition for Windows. Step 2. Install MySQL. We'll download the MSI installer and proceed with the installation. The installation wizard is straightforward, offering 4 installation types: server-only, client-only, full, and custom. We'll choose the custom installation for more flexibility, selecting only the MySQL Server, Workbench, and Shell modules, while skipping options like documentation and the router system. Execute the installation, and the wizard will automatically download and install necessary prerequisites, such as Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. The installation may take a few minutes to complete. Step 3. Configure MySQL. Once the installation is complete, we need to configure MySQL. First, set the server type to Server Computer. You can choose other options like Development Computer or Dedicated Computer, depending on your needs. Next, configure the port number. By default, MySQL uses port 3306, but you can change it if necessary. You can also review and adjust advanced settings and logging options if needed. Now, set the root password for database access and, if required, add additional user accounts with predefined roles. In this demo, I'm adding another user with DB admin privileges. Leave the Windows service name and other settings as default. Under logging options, you can configure general, query, and binary logs as needed. Once done, execute the configuration, and MySQL will finalize the setup. Step 4. Access MySQL Workbench and Shell. After configuration, you'll have access to both the MySQL Shell and the MySQL Workbench. The Workbench provides a graphical user interface, GUI, for managing your databases. Here you can set up connections, create databases, and perform various administrative tasks. In the Workbench, you'll find a range of features, including a dashboard, performance reports, server status, user and privilege management, and more. You can view existing schemas and tables, or use the query editor to manage your database with SQL commands. Step 5. Use MySQL from the command prompt. To use MySQL from the command prompt, you'll need to add MySQL to your system's environment variables. Navigate to the MySQL root directory in the program files, enter the bin folder, and copy the path. Then, Open the Start menu, search for Environment Variables, and add the path to the system's path variable. Once done, you can open the command prompt. Log in to MySQL using the root password and manage your databases directly from the command line. That's it for now. Thanks for joining us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow and subscribe to Installer Guru for more tech tutorials.